Come test drive the 2016 Range Rover Sport. Powered by intelligence, brilliance by design, Range Rover Sport is in a class of one. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.